Imagine a country acreage where you have room to create the lifestyle you've been looking for, conveniently just minutes from Prairie du Chien. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an open-concept living space. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, while the finished lower level has a theater room and second bathroom. Step out on the brand new deck to take in beautiful, driftless valley views. 2 pole sheds provide room for equipment storage or animals. A heated dog facility can be used as is or repurposed for your ideal use. The land itself is diverse. Lane Creek, a Class 2 trout stream, runs through the valley, and there is fenced pasture for livestock. A wooded ridge rises above, with deer sign throughout. It even has a small stand of marketable walnut. This 28-acre property has versatility. All it needs is your own vision.